Hello and welcome back to Maths Plus. Today we have an interesting problem with exponents. So we have 2 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of y is equal to negative 768. So maybe give it a try and see how you get on. But if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Thank you. So let's get started. As the majority value is negative on the right hand side, we can say that the exponent y must be greater than x. Also, we can introduce a new variable and we can add it to k, and we can assert that x plus k could be equal to y, or with a reverse argument we could say y minus k is equal to x. Now with this established, we can rewrite the equation. We're going to write it as such, so 2 to the power of x will remain, and we will replace the y with x plus k. And this is still equal to minus 768. 2 to the power of x is common. Therefore, we can factor out 2 to the power of x and we will get a new expression with 2 to the power of x, open your brackets, and we will have 1 minus 2 to the power of k inside. And that's still equal to minus 768. Now what we're going to focus on is the breakdown of the two products on either side. So if we're looking at this expression, we can break the minus 768 into a product of 2 to the power of x by 3, as 768 is divisible by 3. Alright, so with that in mind, we can replace the 768 with 256 by negative 3. And now we're going to look at all the powers with a base of 2, and when we get to 2 to the power of 8, we can match up with the 256. Now we're going to do an organization, and we're going to separate out the even and the odd on both sides. So we have even and again odd for minus 3. So now we can compare even and odd and say that 2 to the power of x is equal to 256. And we have seen earlier that 2 to the power of x can be rewritten as 2 to the power of 8 when the 256 is converted. Now let's compare the exponents as the bases are the same, and we will get x is equal to 8. So that's our first answer. Now let's go on to the odd. And we can say that 1 minus 2 to the power of k is equal to negative 3. Change both sides, and we can get 2 to the power of k. We reverse it, and we can say that's 1 plus 3. We can also say 4 is equal to 2 to the power of k. Convert the 4 into 2 to the power of 2, so we have the same basis. And again, we can compare coefficients as we have the same basis, so the values of the powers can be equated. So 2 is equal to k is our second answer. Okay, so we're going to reuse that now to solve for y. So recall that y is equal to minus k is equal to x. We can also say that y is equal to x plus k, and therefore y is equal to 8 plus 2, which is equal to 10. And our solutions for the exponential equation 2 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of y is equal to negative 768 is x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 10. So thank you very much for watching Maths Plus. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and see you very soon for the next exciting video.